But I have to say, for this exercise here, it has been a success throughout. There has been no failed construction. You are classified as the top 1 team that has ever classified.